idea of you healing and thriving without them makes them want to lose their mind. When they see you beginning to move on and starting to live your best life and growing into the person that God has called and created you to be, that's when they show up. All of a sudden, they're interested now. They act like they've changed, right? That they're suddenly this different person. But they do this to disrupt your progress. They can't stand the thought of you flourishing and blooming without them. Y'all, it's a blow to their ego, really.